Milwaukee is combining some of our favorite tools into a package, and in this case we have the SHOCKWAVE sockets inside of a PACKOUT box. This is a very cool item for people who are mobile mechanics or maybe outdoor enthusiasts. We're going to go through this, guys, show you what's inside, show you what extra room you might have for other tools. Stay tuned. The Milwaukee PACKOUT box is IP65 rated, and that does not mean it can sit underwater. It just simply means that you could spray it with water and dust and it's not going to get water inside. But with that said, one of the reasons we really love this box is we can throw it on the back of our side-by-side or be out working in the rain or anything like that. In this box, we'll keep the tools inside or anything else that you have inside very dry. When we pull this guy out of the water and look at it, we can see inside and very dry. Now for what is here, you're gonna get some drips. My hands are wet. Obviously this is brand new, packaged up. This is how you're gonna get it. It has a tray on the inside that is movable to your, I guess, tool chest or whatever you'd like to put it in. And this tray is actually pretty nice. We have another one of these sitting around, and this tray holds the sockets pretty well. There are some that are going to fall out, probably because they were not pushed in, but you can see here they snap into place, and then that holds them in so you can move them around and bounce them around. Now, I'm going to tell you, when we're on the side-by-side and we're bouncing these around quite a bit, some of them will come loose, but you can simply just push all of them down if you'd like, and they'll stay in place. They do remove fairly easily, but do have a very positive snap, especially on some of the larger sockets. But either way, this kit includes everything from 10 to 24 millimeter, and there's nothing missing here. It also includes a 3-inch extension, and that 3-inch extension also fits in there nice. The bottom of this does have a little bit of room if you wanted to put different types of tools up in here, and we have actually taped some tools there or different types of things to maintain our side-by-sides as far as like tire plugs and different things like that. It's a great place to put them. The inside, it does ship with some foam. This foam is not like a layered foam, like what we call Kaizen foam, but you can cut it out and use it to put different tools in. You're just not going to be able to peel back many layers. You can see there is one that's supposedly in there. We have not had great luck getting this to come out in layers, but this is the amount of room that you have in the bottom of the case. And you can put just about anything you'd like down there, including other ratchets, other extensions, other tools. And we found lots of great uses for this little place, including open end wrenches and all kinds of stuff for that while we're out traveling. This kit retails for $159 and does include 15 different sockets, one extension. You're going to have a tray that you can throw in your toolbox, and it does include the Milwaukee PACKOUT case. You can price that out and you're actually getting somewhat of a deal compared to what you would price it out differently, but that's going to only make the big difference if you really want the IP65 rating in this great PACKOUT case that can connect to just about any other PACKOUT device and or externally built things that are made for side-by-sides and different things, which I think what's happening over there is also very cool. So you can clip this in, rock and roll that on a four-wheeler, do whatever you'd like. That part is amazing. Guys that are using this to go in as mobile mechanics can buy this kit, enjoy having these great SHOCKWAVE sockets that are easily read with the ink-filled, not only numbers, but also lines on the bottom to make sure you know that they're going to be metric and or SAE. Pretty cool little kit. They are pricey, as I said, but at the same point, they are a great quality. So I will leave a link in the description for you to pick them up. I'm always interested in your comments. Leave them below. As always, I'm going to ask you for a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.